Auxiliary equipment and maintenance work. Filters. Ocean-going ships are basically small, standalone, self-propelled cities. There are many systems on board ship like fuel oil system, lube oil system, fresh water system and sea water system where we require filters. In order to have safe and problem-free operation of filtration systems on ships, proper maintenance is a must. Impurities must be kept from entering various systems by using proper industrial filters and strainers. Additionally, there are various systems on board ships that use filters, strainers, or both to keep the environment safe. Differences between filters and strainers. The main difference between strainers and filters is the size of the particulates that they are designed to remove. Strainers are designed to remove particulates that are bigger than 40 microns, while filters are designed to remove particulates that are smaller than 40 microns. Filter. The filter is a fine mesh screen which is used to remove impurities from oil, water, and air on the ship. The filter can be utilized both in low pressure, that is suction, and discharge, that is high pressure side of the system, and is used to remove the smallest part of dirt which is carried away in the system. The cleaning frequency of filters depends on the type of the filter and is decided by the manufacturer. The schedule is generally included in the planned maintenance system on board. Strainers. The strainer is a type of filter used mostly on low pressure or suction side. This is used to remove large contamination particles from the system. Types of filter. Hydraulic filter. Hydraulic filters are useful to remove solid contamination from marine equipment, lube and fuel oil systems. The inner machine components, bearings, piston, rings, liners, etc., can be harmed without filters in the lube or fuel oil system, resulting in inefficient machine operation. Different hydraulic filter are fine mesh screen filter. They generally can be two types, simplex and duplex. Simplex filters are used to remove foreign particles from pipelines. They provide inexpensive protection to pumps, valves, and everything in between. When they become clogged or need to be cleaned, however, these systems must be shut off. Duplex filters are designed for the use of fluid handling where the floor cannot be shut down for basket cleaning or when the system becomes clogged. There are two separate filter basket housings on this system, and there is a valve handle between two baskets to divert the flow of liquid to one filter while the other is being cleaned. This creates maximum efficiency potential due to 100% uptime and no downtime. Magnetic filter. Oil filtration in maritime industry is essential to achieving optimum performance, reliability and longevity. Lubricant cleanliness is highly important. Apart from the conventional filters, there are also magnetic filters, which are used to remove fine iron particles from the system. The arrangement of a magnetic filter is same as that of a fine filter, but with a magnetic element placed in the central tube. Magnetic filter are often used in lubricating oil systems, where a large permanent magnet collects any ferrous particles which are circulating in the system. The magnet is surrounded by a cage or basket to simplify cleaning. Auto backwash filter. With this type of filter, when it begins to clog up, a back flushing process is automatically initiated so the filter cleans itself. The back flushing oil with the sediment from the filter is drained into the fuel oil drain tank from which it can be recovered and purified. Centrifugal filter works on the centrifugal principle. These filters work using centrifugal force to remove high-density fluids and impurity from the oil system. Lube oil enters from the bottom, pressurized oil comes out of the nozzle which creates centrifugal action. During the rotation of the bowl, dense sludge collects at the periphery. Clean oil drains to the sump. These filters have to be taken out and the dense sludge cake has to be removed. Sharp objects should not be used to remove the sludge as it may damage the bowl. Paper layer has to be inserted inside the bowl cover so that the sludge deposits on the paper as removing the paper is easy and reduces the damage to the bowl body. Water filter or strainer. On board ship, seawater and fresh water systems are equipped with line filters to trap the system's strong impurities. The various water filter applications are: sea chest strainer. The sea chest is an enclosure that is attached to the inside of the underwater shell of the vessel and opens to the sea. It is fitted with a strainer that helps ensure that the flow of water in the line is maintained. Fire line suction filter. This type of filter is used in the fire pump to protect the fire line from impurities. It's very important that water flow in the fire pump is unobstructed so that it can be used to put out any fires on the ship. Bilge line filter. The bilge well suctions have a strainer because the wells contain solid contamination. The filter may have a bucket screen or a plate screen to trap solid impurities.